Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Paula and my partner is
Dainner.
Today we are going to prepare some delicious Mexican tacos.
The ingredients that we are going to use for this delicious recipe are cilantro, an avocado, a package of cheddar cheese, canned corn, a stick of butter, sausages, a package of Mexican tortillas, a tomato, an onion, and a half chicken breast.
Okay, to make some Mexican tacos, the first thing we are going to do is cook the chicken breast with 2 cups of water with a teaspoon of salt and season to taste. Then we proceed to chop the tomato, onion, cilantro, and avocado into small squares to give the chicken time to cook, which is approximately 20 minutes.
When all the vegetables are chopped in a frying pan, we place half a tablespoon of butter and fry the corn. Also, dressing the salad. We slice the sausages to fry them, also in a tablespoon of olive oil. They will give us a practice coat of the sausages. Delicious! Once everything is done, we proceed to remove the chicken from the water and chop or shred. The chicken is according to the taste of the person.
Having all the ingredients ready, we begin to brown the tacos side by side until the ingredients are incorporated in the center of the taco, so that when closing it, the ingredients don't come up. Let's not forget to add the cheese, as it will be creamier and with a delicious touch on the bottom. First, we put the cheese, then little pork corn, after that sausages, then onion, then some tomato, avocado, and chicken.
From the use passion fruit, sugar, and water.
And so, we finish this delicious recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.